Hi guys, next Halloween tutorial, and you have probably guessed it also from the title, it's Wednesday Addams. And this is the wig I also used for Morticia Addams some years ago. And I just have a black blouse on because we want it to be black. We just want black on black. And this is how I envision Wednesday Addams in her late teenage years, start 20s. Her color scheme is grey but a little bit of purple through the crease, dark lips because she hasn't committed to the red lip yet. Not yet, not yet. Not until she meets the love of her life, because she knows what love is. She has her parents as good role models there. They have couple goals. So if you want to see how I do this Wednesday Addams in my very own way, then keep on watching. Guys, let's get to it. I still need to get some of this primer out. Oh, if I'm not getting a lot off, that's just, obviously, you know, from the last video. I can't get some out. So then, there we go. There we go. Rose around the face. I'm going to color correct with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in green because obviously I'm healing from all of this mess. For concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser in Fair, which I'm almost out of. I think I'm running out just in a few days. That's good that payday is coming up. We like that. And I'm just gonna blend the concealer out with my NYX complexion sponge. Foundation, I'm taking the NYX Constant Warm Stop Full Coverage Foundation in Porcelain. And I'm just going to apply it with the sponge. I'm going to set my base with the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder from NYX in Light. But first, I'm taking this brush by BH. I'm just going to start a slight bake under my eyes. I'm taking my powder brush by Real Techniques, and you can see it's clean. And I'm just going to set the rest on my face. And I'm just going to brush the bake away. You don't have to bake a whole lot. Now that's done. Now I'm going to do the right side of my face and my brows off camera, and then I will be back. Right, guys, that's the brows done. Obviously I've just used my usual color because that's best for my hair color, but also if you want to wear a black wig, don't make it just black on black. And yeah, let's just start with priming the lid. As you can see, I have a little red spot on my lid. It's because I actually had a pimple there. Very odd place, and it's actually quite dangerous for the eye to have that. And I just got it out here, when was it, yesterday, finally. So it's healing. So I'm being extra careful here. Being extra careful. And for Wednesday Addams, we're using a mix of the Naked palettes. I'm using a mix of the Naked 2 and the Naked Smoky palette. We're starting out with the Naked Smoky palette and a crease brush by BH. I'm starting out with Combust. Right here is such a great crease color. I'm just tapping up the excess of it. Don't want too much. And then just into the crease with that. And obviously also on the lower lash line. Now we're taking the Naked 2 palette, and I am taking Pistol, because it's slightly lighter than Armor that is in the Naked Smoky palette. So just on that. Because I think with this look of Wednesday Addams, we're going from the child version that we know to her more like teenage years, start 20s. And I think her color scheme is grey. She has not met the love of her life yet. Because she obviously knows love from what love is from seeing her parents, Gomez and Morticia. And that's the kind of love that she expects to have. Then I'm just going to blend. Going back to the Smoky palette, I am taking the color Password on my Real Techniques shading brush. And then I'm applying it to my outer V, getting a little bit of smokiness. I'm going a little above my crease because they are slightly hooded, so we want to be able to see the color also here on the top. And I'm also going on my lower lash line, just to the middle of the eye. And I'm just going to blend that color. Now I'm taking a deluxe crease brush by Wednesday Addams. I'm going to take Smolder because I also do believe that Wednesday, she has a little bit of purple in her look. That's obviously her mother going in there. I'm just going to put it in the crease, just a little bit of purple, and it's okay if it goes up to the brow. I don't have a lot of lid space, as you can see, so it's okay for me. It just makes it a little bit more intense. But just a little bit of purple here, because I believe when Wednesday meets the love of her life, her looks will completely transform into her mother's look, into Morticia's look. Yeah, you can just see there's a hint of purple, and that's all we need. And you guessed it, I'm just going to blend a little bit more because we want it to look seamless, like perfection. Wednesday wants perfection because she sees her mother as perfection, the perfect woman. And then for a highlight, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. Wednesday isn't afraid of a little bit of highlight. She ain't afraid of that. Because her mother, she is highlighted. She's like, has this glow right here on her eyes. So Wednesday isn't afraid of a little bit of glow. Her mother is an inspiration source. And now for eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black and lining my top lash line. I'm not going out to a wing because Wednesday is not committing to that yet. Not until she meets the love of her life and is married. And then for my inner M's, I'm taking the NYX Slide On eyeliner in jet black. And then I'm curling my lashes and applying the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in waterproof. So I'll be right back. And moving on to the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX Blushing Taupe and my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm just contouring the usual places of my face. After all, we're thinking now, Wednesday is in her late teens, start 20s, so she's probably contouring the F out of her face. Because obviously she has high forehead. Even though the wig I'm wearing and that I have, it has bangs, but we can live with that. But she has a big forehead. Let's just say with that wig, Wednesday is trying out just a slight bit of bang. She's in that little face. We'll try and bangs. And then for blush, I am taking the e.l.f. blush in Mauve. Mellow Mauve, if I'm right. Let's see, yeah, Mellow Mauve. The blushes from e.l.f. are so good. And then just on the cheekbone. And then for highlight, I'm taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold. And I'm taking my setting brush by Real Techniques. And on top of the cheekbone. Duh, girl. nose bridge, and cute as well. And then for lips, I'm taking the matte lipstick by NYX in Siren. It's a dark one, as you can see. She hasn't committed to the red yet. It will probably happen when she is with the love of her life. So on with this. Their lips are on now. It's just time to set the makeup. I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Rose, and I'm just gonna spray it off. And now we're finished. I just put the wig on. It took a while for me to brush this, but we might do. So here we go. It's the same wig I also used from Morticia, just without the braids. So we have Wednesday Addams. Yes, and there is a family resemblance. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.